Your choice of code editor says more about your personality than your coffee order ever could. It is a window into how your brain handles the daily chaos of building software. Some developers crave a blank slate. They want to be in total control of every single pixel and every single shortcut on their screen. This is why the lightweight modular approach has become such a massive force in the industry. It starts as nothing. It is a fast, empty shell that waits for you to tell it what to be. You want a sleek environment for web development? You just add a few specialized modules. You want to write some quick scripts or edit a configuration file. It opens in less than a second. It stays out of your way. It is the ultimate minimalist workspace. But that simplicity is a bit of a trick. To make it truly powerful, you have to become a bit of a digital architect. You spend your hours searching through a massive library of community-made tools to find the perfect setup. You tinker with settings. You manage your own dependencies. You are the one in charge of making sure all those different pieces actually play nice together. On the flip side, you have the heavy-duty industrial machines. These are the deep integrated environments that arrive with every single tool already sharpened and ready for action. When you open a massive project in one of these, the software spends a moment catching its breath while it builds a mental map of your entire universe. It learns the connections. It understands the flow of data from one end of the system to the other. It is like having a brilliant, slightly obsessive partner looking over your shoulder. If you try to change a variable name in one corner of the project, it instantly knows every other place that will break and offers to fix it for you. It catches your typos. It suggests better ways to write your logic. It is a safety net that allows you to move much faster in complex environments without the fear of everything falling apart. Of course, that intelligence comes with a heavy tax. These programs are famous for eating up your computer memory like it is a buffet. Your fans might start spinning up as soon as the project loads. It can feel slow or sluggish if your hardware is not up to the task. It is a trade-off between the speed of the software itself and the speed of your own productivity. If you are working on a small project or just exploring a new idea, that heavy lifting feels like overkill. You just want to get in and out. But when you are buried in a code base with tens of thousands of lines of code, you start to crave that deep understanding that only the heavy machinery can provide. The reality is that most people find a rhythm between the two. They use the fast, nimble editor for the quick hits and the daily chores. Then they bring out the powerful suite for the serious architectural work. It is not a battle where one side has to win. It is about knowing which version of yourself is sitting at the keyboard today. Are you the minimalist who wants a clean desk and a sharp pencil? Or are you the engineer who needs a fully equipped workshop with a team of assistants ready to help you move mountains? It is fascinating how we attach our identity to these tools. We argue about them on forums and defend our choices like we are choosing a side in a war. But at the end of the day, these are just different lenses for looking at the same logic. One lens is clear and simple, letting you focus on the individual line you are writing right now. The other lens is wide and complex, showing you the entire forest so you do not get lost among the trees. Choosing between them is less about the features on a list and more about how you want to feel when you are in the flow. Do you want to feel light and unencumbered, or do you want to feel supported and secure? There is no wrong answer, only the one that helps you get the work done.